Hey guys, it's me, Metality here, and I just recorded a how to hybrid video right here, and if you watch it, I hope you enjoyed it. But this is the more serious video I talked about in it. Basically, you all know it's YouTube advertisements. This is how YouTubers get money, and basically, if you okay, I didn't my stutter, jeez. If you appreciate a YouTuber and you skip their advertisements, I don't think you appreciate them that much. It's just my opinion because it's how they make money, and with their money they can buy new stack, like upgrade their stuff to make videos for you guys, which you want. So why would you skip those ads? I just wanna go. I just want you guys to go out there and not skip ads. It's my opinion. You can do whatever you want. I'm not your mother, so don't dislike me because you're not my mother, so don't tell me what to do. It's my opinion. Go ahead. You you can skip ads if you want, but this is my opinion. And post your opinion down below. Yeah. Don't hate on this just because I said that, but it's just my opinion. So yeah. Bye.